Look at these amazing photos I took in front of my Lofaris backdrops.
I ordered from Lofaris and I am so excited to test it out. They have backdrops, backgrounds for Zoom, backdrops that you can use for parties and more. So watch me transform this wall in my garage to so many different backgrounds with Lofaris. Use my code KenBunny for a percentage off. All the information is in the caption below. Here is a candy backdrop that I got. Let me show you what this looks like. This backdrop is the Alice in Wonderland backdrop. It's perfect for a tea party and more.
I love these photos even more. Lofarisbackdrop.com has so many options that are so cool.